Hi, it's Namee. I just bleached my hair and it came out so good. So now I'm going to do it pink. I'm using Arctic Fox Electric Paradise and I think I can use this whole bottle on my head. Hopefully one bottle is enough. I really don't like the shade of pink. It's too coral for me. I like purpley pink. But it's okay because I'm going to go black after this. Oh my gosh, my hair is so overprocessed. Oh my gosh. Half my head is done. Oh no, I hope I have enough. It feels like I have enough. Oh no. Oh, I have just enough. Okay, I'm going to leave this in my hair for 20 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out and show you what it looks like. Cute! It's so pink.